Hello guys, this is CryptoWise here and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So let us see the market situation today. Right now the market cap is around 332 billion US dollar mark, which is 18 billion less than yesterday. So what's going on in the cryptocurrency market today? If you see that in the top 100 we can see single digit reds, mostly some few cryptocurrencies that are in the greens. So why this is happening? It is happening basically due to the FUD that was created by a journalist who falsely reported that Binance has some issues with Japan's financial services agency. So let us look into that news first. So the reporter claimed that Japan's top securities regulator will warn cryptocurrency exchange Binance that it must cease operating in the country without a license or face enforcement action. So you can see this kind of a news can create a lot of FUD, and this journalist, without digging into the details, reported this news just to sell it like hotcakes. So that's why there was a fear that was spread in the market, and a lot of people, they sold their cryptocurrencies, and the market lost around 18 billion US dollars. So let us now see the Binance CEO reply on this. His reply to the journalist can be seen on his Twitter account. So he has posted, let me quote it for you. Nikki showed irresponsible journalism. We are in constructive dialogue with Japan FSA and have not received any mandates. It does not make sense for JFSA to tell a newspaper before telling us while we have an active dialogue going on with them. So this is how he cleared the FUD, and he told people that he is in active talks with Japan's FSA. So the journalist basically created a FUD, and the news, it spread like a fire throughout all of the media, and we saw different media reporting the same news. So let us see Twitter CEO what he is saying about Bitcoin. So according to Mr. Jack Dorsey, he thinks that Bitcoin will overtake all the fiat money in a decade. And he believes that Bitcoin will be the only currency that will be accepted in the globe, and it will be one global currency after 10 years. So people will be using internet money and digital currency at that time. And also keep in mind that Jack Dorsey also owns a payment company Square, which recently added a feature to buy and sell Bitcoin on the Square Cash app. So let me quote his opinion that he gave to an English newspaper. The world ultimately will have a single currency. The internet will have a single currency. I personally believe that it will be Bitcoin. So this is what he told in an interview to an English newspaper on Wednesday. Guys, also keep in mind, now with Segwit and in the future with Lightning Network, the transaction will take a lot less time and the overall transaction fee will be minimum. So keep this in mind that in order for BTC to grow immensely in the next 10 years, it should evolve in technology with time. Another news is coming from a UK based cryptocurrency exchange, CoinfloorEX. What they will do is that they will launch first physically delivered cryptocurrency futures contract. So those people who will make an account with CoinfloorEX will be given a physical contract that will be delivered to their home. They will be able to buy Bitcoin through fiat currency after the contract it reaches to their homes. And the CoinFloor exchange also, they promise to provide 100% multi-signature cold storage, protecting client portfolios from theft, loss, or other security issues associated with partially online or online only storage. So this is big. So this is one of their big promises. And according to CoinFloor, the first physically delivered contract will be launching in April and will be for the delivery of Bitcoin. So according to CoinFloor CEO, he is saying that our mission is to build a bridge between fiat currency and cryptocurrency to drive the stability and sustainability of cryptocurrency. Recently, a bill was passed in Russian parliament by finance ministry, and the bill was regarding the regulation for cryptocurrencies and ICOs. In the bill, it was explained that cryptocurrency will be treated as digital commodities, and in Russia it will not replace the fiat currency, and cryptocurrencies will not be treated as a mean to purchase online. Moreover, in this draft they also said that cryptocurrencies will be traded through licensed exchanges of digital financial assets and existing trading platforms that have stock exchange licenses. So in this way, Russia is trying to regulate cryptocurrencies, which is a good news overall. Actually, they are not banning it, but they will treat them as digital commodities and digital assets. They also want to regulate ICOs, and according to them, the non-accredited investors will not be able to participate in the ICOs. And for the qualified investors, they will only be able to invest 900 US dollars at the most. I think this kind of sucks in Russia, but overall the news is not bad. They are not banning cryptocurrencies overall. They are just trying to regulate it. Then we have an interesting news that cryptocurrency mining is absolutely smashing the PC game industry, and this kind of sucks for the gamers because last year the prices of graphic cards they increased 80% just because the increase in demand in cryptocurrency mining. And with the passage of time, when the cryptocurrency will go mainstream, this will only increase and the overall prices will increase for the graphic cards, which means that those gamers who want powerful PCs will be paying more to build the PC. This also means that the overall prices of powerful PCs and maybe gaming consoles will increase in the future. So I think something should be done for this because it's a bad news for gamers. I am also a gamer, so that's why I feel this as a bad news for gamers. Micheal Owen launches his own cryptocurrency. Everybody knows Micheal Owen. He was ex-Liverpool footballer and he announced that he is launching his own cryptocurrency, the Owen coin. And this is in collaboration with the cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange name is the Global Crypto Offering, and they are also saying that they are the first celebrity cryptocurrency exchange. With this Owen coins, the owner will be able to buy some popular merchandise and also they will be able to speak with the ex-sportsmen. So the chairman of that exchange is saying that in this way fans can be connected to their favorite celebrities in a much more intimate level. Guys, also one thing to note that despite the recent downfall of cryptocurrencies, Micheal Owen is a big supporter of Bitcoin. So according to Micheal Owen, last year when the prices of Bitcoin they surged above 20,000 US dollar at that time, he clearly saw that cryptocurrencies are becoming as a global phenomenon. So Micheal Owen is not the only sportsman who is supporting crypto. Before that, Manny Pacquiao is also set to release a cryptocurrency on the same exchange. And Floyd Mayweather also has some plans to launch his own cryptocurrencies in the future. So this is an excellent news for overall cryptocurrency because when more and more celebrities they will get involved in the cryptocurrency, then it will help in mass adoption of cryptocurrencies overall. That will be beneficial for overall cryptocurrency market. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will be making some ICO reviews video in the future. So stay tuned to my channel, be the part of CryptoWise family. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Till next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.